Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play two of the JBL Encore Essentials paired together and compare it to one only playing and two playing. So yeah, let's play some songs and turn it up. Okay, so we're going to start off with Bittersweet by Time to Talk Feet Roses, and we're only playing on one speaker at the moment in Bass Boost Mode 1. And it's also plugged in, so yeah, we're playing on one speaker, and let's play it. About 30%. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. You I wanna try, can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. 35. Blacking out, afraid just fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa. Okay, now let's pair it to the other JBL Encore Essential. Okay, so now we're going to play the same song. We're going to carry on actually, but now we have both of them playing in sync, so let's carry on the song. 30% volume. I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it. I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. I keep on falling, I like the taste of it. Okay, yeah, so that makes a big difference connecting the second speaker. Okay, so next is Crystallized by Mocha Music, I think it is. And yeah, so let's play this song. Both of them are playing, by the way. Still 35%.
Okay, that was very loud. Okay, next up is I'm a Give Up by Sunchaser, and as you can see, I've only turned the one on, so I've turned the other one off again, so we can compare, see how it sounds only one of them. So yeah, we're going to play that now, and yeah, let's play it. 45%. Okay, I think that's enough of that. That is really loud. Okay, so last we are going to play Melodia, and this time I'm going to play it with the equalizer to flat on mid, flat on treble, but bass all the way up. So we're going to have extreme bass, we're going to turn it up loud, because believe it or not, adding more bass on the equalizer does give the speakers more bass, even at high volumes. So you can get a little bit more out of them if you change the EQ. So we're going to do that. And yeah, so we're going to play Melodia. Let's get it up, and here we go.
All of the nonsense that you
that's enough of that. Right, okay, that was getting too loud at the end there, so I think I'm going to end it here, end the video. So thank you for watching. Yeah, at the end there, the bass was crazy, the door was shaking, rattling, and if you didn't know, the microphone's at the back of the room, so it's more bassy at the back, so it probably just picked up bass on the microphone. But yeah, anyway, I think I'll end it there. It's getting too loud, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.